Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit going over our CPN apartment package. Our CPN apartment package now has been around for about 5 years. It's been very instrumental and helpful in helping many people get off the street, rent apartments, rent houses, those with evictions, criminal backgrounds, help them get places to stay. The package includes a tri-merge CPN, safe scan, guaranteed unused number, with a trade line. Trade line is about a year and a half, year and 8 months old. The score came in at 714. 1.7 year trade line. It comes with a Capital One credit card. Limit's $300. Again, it's about a year and a half to 2 years old. Gives a 700 score, which is more than enough for most apartments and houses to rent. Again, it's been very helpful for many people renting houses and apartments. The package includes a tri-merge CPN, again, unused number. You get a trade line. We set up your EXPERIAN credit monitoring. You also get a builder package, a builder manual. It shows you how to build the CPN. If you want to use it beyond renting the apartment, you can use it to get credit cards. And we have a detailed instruction manual that shows you how to do it. It also comes with unlimited phone consulting as well. Again, this is our apartment package. Been very helpful for many people. Call us for details, 202-213-2218. We have over 400 trade lines, so if you need trade lines in general for your CPNs or personal Social Security profiles, you can call us or get on our list at tradelines.biz. The website for the rental package is rentfast.org. That's rentfast.org. Subscribe to our channel for updates. We do videos several times a month showing our trade lines postings, credit repair, things of that nature. Thank you. Have a great day.